On our Toyotas, the rear lower link mount sits below the frame, making it vulnerable to getting smashed on rocks.
We're going to solve this problem and make these mounts considerably stronger by adding these.
We'll show you exactly how to install them right now.
This video is brought to you by More Expo. Find out more about More Expo on their website.
We're going to start by hammering our originals back into shape the best we can. To finish fitting this on here, I have to take this bolt out. But before I do that, I went ahead and put a ratchet strap on one end on the axle and the other to a point on the frame, drew it up tight. That way the axle has no way of moving backwards on us. And now I'm just going to see where it's hitting, because some of these factory welds will be in the way that I may have to grind a little bit of that off. I want it nice and tight up here if I can. I'm going to put the bolt in, make sure everything's lined up right. Okay, now I'm just seeing where it's hitting that's preventing it from going all the way up to the frame at the end here. And I'm going to mark those spots and either hit them with the hammer or the grinder.
Something to mention, these come bare metal, so we sprayed a little primer on to keep them from rusting before we can get them on. These aren't just the typical bolt-on skid plates like we have on the FJ. They're meant to be welded on and made a permanent part of the frame. Also, these are 3/16 of an inch thick. The stock ones are a measly 1/8 of an inch thick. So after we get these on, we'll have a total of 5/16 of an inch of material.
Unless you're really skilled at welding, which I am not, we highly recommend that you enlist the help of a professional to weld these on. As soon as we got home from getting them welded on, we disconnected the links again and put on a really thick coat of black spray paint. Then we put the jack stands underneath the axle and put all the way of the 4Runner on that rear suspension. Then Mary torqued them to factory specs. If you like this video, hit the like button.
And we hope you'll consider subscribing to our channel.